ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Welcome to day 8 of Learn Spoken Kannada. In today's lesson, we are going to learn some important question words in Kannada, such as how, where, which and whose. So let's get started. How, Hēge. Where, Elli. Which, Yāva, Yāradu. Whose, Yāradu. Let's learn how to use these question words in simple Kannada conversations. Here, a man meets his friend while walking on the street. He greets his friend and asks him how he is doing. Let's see how this conversation happens in Kannada. How are you? ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? The man replies, I am fine. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In this conversation, a mother asks her son where he is going, and the son replies that he is going to his friend's house. Where are you going? ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? The son replies, I am going to my friend's house. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Here, a teacher is holding a red crayon and asking the student which color it is. The student replies that it is the color red. Which color is this? ಇದು ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣ? This is the color red. ಇದು ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣ. In this conversation, a mother calls her daughter on the phone and asks her where she is. The daughter replies that she is at home. Where are you? ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? I am at home. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In this classroom scenario, a teacher finds a storybook in the classroom and asks the students whose book it is. One student stands up and says that it belongs to him. Whose story book is this? ಇದು ಯಾರ ಕತೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ? That is my story book. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಕತೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning these Kannada question words and found them useful. Try using them in your daily conversations with your family and friends. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more spoken Kannada lessons. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.